Hi guys, before you get lost in the design, there's one crucial step to make your site truly functional, setting up your business information. Today, let's learn how to set up your business information on the Wix Harmony editor so that you can use your business data to automate your SEO, contact forms, and even your brand identity. Let's get started. So here's how you can access your dashboard on the Wix Harmony editor and how you can update your business info. Simply go to the Wix logo on the upper left and select Go to Dashboard at the bottom. Here on your dashboard, simply go to Settings to the General section, and under General section, select Business Info. Here you can add your company name or business name. Select which category best matches your business, add your logo, and even input a short description of what your business is about. Below, you can add additional details such as your location, if in case you have a physical store, and you can also add your contact info such as your business email address, phone number, and your fax number. Once you're done making all the changes that you need to make, simply click on Save. And it's as easy as that. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.